It's recording.
So, I'm Ellen Rowan, and I've been working on a lot of concepts around sustainability and saving plastic bottle caps. One of the things that really motivates me around plastic is what's happening in the oceans, the Pacific garbage patch, the Plastic Island, and the baby albatross and Midway Island, who are suffocating and dying from malnutrition because they're being fed bits of plastic. Interestingly, when you open up, when you see the carcasses on the beach, you see that their bellies are, everything biodegrades except for the caps in their stomachs, and you see so many water bottle caps, like from a case of water at Costco. So my goal is to collect as many as possible and use them to make art. This is a project that I'm working on with my son's 5th grade class. I did a presentation so I could educate them on the Pacific garbage patch and what the stuff we're throwing away, and the baby albatross, and I had them collect bottle caps, and they filled a whole bin this size throughout about 6 months, which is very cool. And we're turning it into a piece of art. I'm going to work with them together tomorrow. So they all submitted drawings of things that they thought would be really cool to make out of bottle caps. The one we chose was Earth, and we love our Earth. So I'm drawing it out to give the kids a chance to sort of lay it in like a paint by numbers tomorrow. So I'm laying it out ahead of time to get an idea of how many caps we need. So I'm going to start by, just really quick, I'm going to sketch out enough of a circle to start laying caps out. So I've been looking up a lot of pictures on shapes and Earth. So I think I'll just start laying caps in just to get an idea of how they're going to look. So I'm using green caps to work on the landforms of the Earth. So I think I'm going to put North America in here, and we'll do South America down below. And as I keep working on it, it's going to sort of come together. So the way I thought I'd execute this with the kids is have them each get a handful of caps that they get to place in. So they get to work on the design part of it. It was hard to work out how that was going to be, given that they're a class full of 33 students. But what I decided on is to give each a handful and let them design and lay it in their project. They've done the hard work. And then we'll glue them all down. So you can kind of see how the blue is going to be the ocean. And Earth is a good form to use with bottle caps, because you can really get the shapes in. I'm going to use the red up above to put We Love, and then all of the middle is going to be filled in with various sizes of white bottle caps. So they did, like I said, they did a nice job of collecting. We had a huge bin full. So these are going to be ongoing projects. We'll be working on doing more programs in the school, and then ultimately, this is the premise for the Art Center, is to use all materials that have been recycled or upcycled to turn them into art, to help kids express themselves and learn more about loving Earth. So I'll have some pictures posted when the project is all done, and it's going to be really cool.